Are y'all ready for the part 2 of the copper foil backing test? I'll give you a second to think about it. Since you're still watching and haven't scrolled away yet, I'm taking that as a yes. Quick disclaimer so I don't get in trouble. This foil was sent to me for free, and the affiliate links within my profile bio will earn me a small commission if you would like to use them and show your support for my channel. If you missed yesterday's part 1 and are interested in the backstory of this test, you can always go back later and check it out. But essentially, we are working with 2 different foil backings, silver and black. We have 4 project pieces. 2 projects will have the silver backing and 2 projects will have the black backing. The ultimate goal of this test is to show what your project will look like if your foil backing matches or mismatches your solder. So, 2 projects, 1 of each backing, will get black patina, and 2 will only get polished. As you watch me polish these 2 pieces, you're probably asking yourself, does this really matter? That's entirely up to you. If you go back to my first videos when I started out, I was rocking 1 roll, and that was it. My reasoning was I didn't want to sit on multiple widths and backing options. It was good enough for my standards at the time. But as you progress in making stained glass, I feel you'll instinctively progress in fine-tuning the details, such as having your foil backing match your solder. This is how your black-backed foil looks on transparent glass with black patina. It all just blends. And this ugly duckling is silver-backed foil on black patina lines. You can clearly see through the glass that it doesn't match, and it becomes a distraction rather than blending in. Alternatively, when looking at silver solder lines, the black backing gives off kind of a shadowed effect, which is cool if that's what you're going for. This contradiction, though, becomes much more visible with whiter foils, so keep that in mind. But compared to silver-backed foil on silver solder, ooh, it just looks so clean, so smooth. After seeing this, I cannot wait to apply it to the Rocky Mountain mural project. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass tests and product reviews such as this. And check out Delphi Glass if you don't have a local glass shop to support nearby.